好，各位繼續。咁所以咧，你會見到，如果跟翻所有嘅 guideline 揾晒所有 point 之後咧，咁啊 organize 翻啦。咁嘅 content points 咧，就去觸及到4個嘅主要 complaint。OK， 咁同埋4個嘅處理方式嘅。係啦，頭先講漏咗一個，就係講緊majority of the seats were held by 嗰啲 major corporate sponsor 啊嘛。咁其實咧喺嗰個嘅喺個 minutes 入邊咧有提及到咧，其實係 only 15% 嘅，係啦。等我睇下先，喺呢一度應該12% 呢一度 corporate sponsor tickets， 所以個大 heading 咧其實會令到大家容易啲揾到講緊啲咩嘅，係啦。呢啲咪就係講緊啲贊助商嗰啲 tickets 啦，係啦。佢話今年減少咧係難嘅。Okay, it's very difficult to do so because tickets have already been issued. But he points out that only 12% of the tickets went to corporate sponsor. 咁所以呢個要寫嘅，澄清翻唔係 majority， 係淨係12% 嘅啫。係啦，咁所以當你揾晒啲 point， 所有嘅 issue， 所有都有回應之後咧，其實就會有一個咁樣嘅 content 啦。咁 language wise， 如果你寫翻咧，呢位同學咧就寫得都幾好嘅，不過啲 editor 咧個 E 係要大階咧，呢個係必須要知嘅，所有同學都要留意啦。咁當然，如果你再睇翻 Level 5 Exemplar， 係啊，你就見到啲 editor I'm writing in response to the letter。呢一啲 language 係必須要識嘅。OK， in response to the letter to the editor dated， 跟住後邊加日子啦 ，by 某個人啦 ，regarding 某一啲嘅 issue 啦。係啦，跟住代表呢間機構咧，我想去 apologize 或 clarify， 呢啲要識啦。On behalf of Event Horizon, we would like or I would like to apologize about any inconvenience。係啦，所以佢都係錯嘅。It is hoped that something， 跟住就分段啦 ，ticketing， 然之後一啲嘅點樣去留位啦，點樣去避免類似一啲 disruption 係唔會出現啦，係啦，咁逐個去講啦。OK， 咁最後會 hope that the aforementioned amendments could bring you a better experience and enjoy the event. Yours faithfully。OK， 咁細節上面大家自己去睇啦。留意 Dear Editor 大家 I'm writing in response to 某封信。dated 某個日子 by 某個人 ，OK， 同埋呢度唔係直接寫俾 Miss 星嘅，咁呢啲位大家都要留意翻。OK，拜。